Hello everyone, Happy New Year! And I hope you have a great year with Baduk. First, I want to tell you two things. One is my new book, ta-da! Mastering Basic Corner Shapes Step by Step, which was finally published in last December. Here, video QR codes are included in every chapter to make it easier for you to study on your own. The second use is that I opened a new channel, YoonsbadukLounge. On this channel, you can enjoy the latest professional matches with music. There is also an AI win rate table, so you will be able to guess the direction of the game. So any feedback from you guys would be helpful. Please come to the channel and subscribe. You know, I'm currently writing two books. One is One Done Challenge book, part 2, and second is Mastering Basic Side Shapes book. There are many books about the corners, but there are not many that cover side, right? So today I will introduce one of these books. I hope you like it. Let's go. Have you seen this shape? I think so. I can show you here from 4-4 and you know this shape. And if white plays there, we can protect the corner. After that, some point white has stone here. Black can ignore or black can protect like this. So after this, if black plays somewhere, there is invasion. And the upper side shape is here, black jumped first and white invade later. So what can you do now? How can you attack this one stone? What's your move? This one? Block? Or maybe kusumi? Or just blocking? Or moves are possible. Usually we think about first this move. And if white plays here, that's really bad move. No, because white can just connect. White is successful, right? So here we can think about probably this move. Many amateur players play this, but in this case it's not good because white can save in the corner. So the best move is here because of A. Even white cuts here, black can kill these 4 stones easily. So the best answer is actually like this and then attack the 3 stones. Or you can think about also this kind of move to avoid the connection. But what happens if black plays there? Can we save this group? Maybe. Or maybe not. So I guess you wanna play like this and then play Kema and try to save, right? It's not bad, but that's not good. Actually, this group cannot save if you respond well. So we start step-by-step problems. This. So number 1, you are black. So white try to save this group. So it's around 10Q, maybe 10Q level. So here we can think about easily Hane. If you don't have any idea, first think about the Hane. Then that's it. This group is dead. You see here, or like this. Nothing, or here, Hane or whatever, so this group is dead. Or we can play hane from here too. You see, like that. But our typical mistake is either something or something. It's not necessary, because if you play there, it's alive. So please don't play inside. Inside is not good. Reduce. The best way is just hane. Oh, this group is dead. So number 2. So now white tried E19, not Q17. It's same shape, number 1 and 2. So white plays there. What can we do to kill? It's also simple. You are black, so we should start from here and then here. That's it. This group is dead. If you don't play there, then white can save. So that's the vital point. Of course, here you can cut, but sometimes, in this case, it works because it's shortage of liberties, both sides. In this case, work, but sometimes doesn't work. So the best way, the easiest way is like this. Finished. How about number 3? Simple. White pushes. White play 2-2 to make more I shape. Then we can play just hane. Like number 2, this one, we can kill with this. Like number 1, if white plays there, we can kill like this. Yeah, do you remember? Or whatever, it's not easy to save. Impossible. So, number 4 is the original shape. How can we kill? You know now. Where? Yes, the kusumi. Oh, looks strange, right? You never think about this kind of move. Because white can make eye shape, but we know here we can kill. You know, here we can kill. Or whatever here we can kill. So no problem here. Also we can kill. That's it. So actually the kusumi is correct. But not this one. It's our typical mistake. Because now white has a good move here. Then like this, white can save. You know, if white plays there, that's that. You're right. Or white can play there, but black can cut the 5 stone, which is big. You know, like this. So white can save like that, but it's not the best way for white. So white can save with this move. One of my students tried this one and this one, and dreaming of this move, and then he thought this group is dead. No. So white should play there, and this is alive. If black wants to kill this group, we have to reduce and reduce, but the 1 stone is in danger. Okay? So, you see, actually, that looks really hard, but it's not. So next one, the next page, or black attach the corner to 2. So what happened? We will study here quickly. So attached and hane. Hane doesn't work. I told you. How can you punish this one? Sure, just attach and kill. So, hane was not good. Number 2, here black to play, white plays there. That's mistake. White should have played D18, you know. So in this case, we can just play there. It's simple. Of course, you can play there too. So this group is dead. Nothing. Punish with easy way. And number 3. So this is mistake. So how can white save this one? Yeah, it's just simple. And important thing is not like this. Then this group is dead. Or not like this. This group is also dead. So the only way is like this. And this group is alive. Right? So number 4. Black's attachment is mistake. I told you. So which one is the best way? Not hane, like number 1. not like this, like number 2. So the best way is just like this and save. You got it. Then we can back the original shape. So white invaded and this and this. This is the best way. But if you play there, white can play there and there. But it's a mistake from white. Because we know, yes, Kusumi and Hane, this group is dead, right? Not like this. Because of that, this group is alive. So what can we do as a white in this case? In this case, there is this kind of move. Have you seen this one? That means if black plays there, after that, Hane and connects and Kusumi. So now, white's corner is alive with many points. Perfect, right? Or white can also play there and then save like that. It's also possible. Then what can we do here? Okay, if I block, white can save. In this case, you can play there and let white connect like this. Something like that. Yeah. So white reduce the corner with sente. Or sometimes you can start from here. It depends on the situation. But in this case, because of the jump, A, black can play there. So without A, or white can save the side group. You got it? And one more thing, if black plays there, we can think about this one too. If black blocks, then Kusumi and Kusumi, this group is alive. Yeah, so usually this move is too soft. Okay? Yeah, try this invasion. We can see often in our game. How did you like that? So if you have any question and feedback, please let me know. Alright. Thank you for watching my lecture and hope to see you next lecture. 안녕. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.